Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit the easy way. First, we'll cover the basic concept of these two temperature scales. Then, I'll introduce you to the simple formula you'll need for accurate conversions. Finally, we'll walk through a practical example together, ensuring you grasp the process completely. Let's get started on mastering this essential conversion. The core of converting Celsius to Fahrenheit lies in a simple two-step formula. First, take your Celsius temperature and multiply it by 1/8. You can also think of this as multiplying by 9/5. Once you have that result, the second step is to simply add 32 to that number. This straightforward process will give you the exact Fahrenheit equivalent every time. Let's put the formula into action with an example. Imagine you have a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius and want to convert it to Fahrenheit. First, multiply 20 by 1/8. This calculation gives you 36. Next, take that 36 and add 32 to it. Your final answer is 68 degrees Fahrenheit. See how simple it is to apply the formula. Here are a couple of quick tips to help you remember. A key reference point is that 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. For a rough estimate, you can simply double the Celsius temperature and then add 30. It's not exact, but it's a good mental shortcut. Also, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.